Hi community. So today we're going to talk about need versus want, the dreaded thing that we all struggle with in our community, in our society, but especially here as Americans, we struggle with that need versus want. I caught myself today because we've been at home for a while, and I've been, not eating red meat because it just takes longer and a little bit more cumbersome to make. And so I'm out walking the dog and I find myself saying, I need a burger. I said that in my head. I just need a burger. I'm thinking, hold on a second. I don't need a burger. I don't need a burger. I want a burger. Train ourselves to think about that and to catch ourselves. But here's the problem. It's not that we want or need something. The key to this is having that discipline to say, no, I want a burger, or I want a new shirt, or I want to go on vacation, or I want whatever it is that you want. But here's the thing. Typically, we're going to say, no, I don't need that, and then we hammer ourselves and we hammer ourselves, and then we shame and guilt ourselves into wondering why we want that thing. But the problem is, it's not a matter of whether we want it or not, or need it. We have to say, did we budget for it? If we budgeted for it, it's okay. It's okay that you want stuff. It's okay that you need stuff. But don't hammer yourself on and shame and guilt yourself into saying you shouldn't want things. It's fine to want things, and it's fine to budget things. So if it's in your budget and you want to do it, you ask yourself 2 questions. Here are those questions. Do I really want it more than the money that it takes to buy that thing? Or do I really want to save that money and do something different? Ask yourself that question, real time, rather than just reacting. Ask yourself that question. Then we'll be able to say, yep, I budgeted for it, I want it, and I can go get it. If the answer to the other question is, no, you know what, I'd rather save the money and do something else, that's totally fine. But the key is going to be, is it in the budget? And if it is, ask yourself that question. Do I want it more than the money? Or do I want the money more than that thing? So today I got a burger because I wanted a burger. I didn't need a burger. I wanted a burger. I have it budgeted. And so I got a burger, and I'm going to enjoy that and not shame and guilt myself. So there's your tip for the day.